want my videos to be like David Caruso, CSI Miami cool, where I say a catchphrase and then you hear the scream. Something like, roaches check into the Roach Motel, but they don't check out. What's up? I'm Gears of Snore, and I bring you that content that's guaranteed to put your ass to sleep. And that loud exhaust next to me, that's Yanni. The S is silent. We also got Ray Ray with us. We're gonna pull over. Yanni's helmet lost the screw for the visor, and some dude pulled over to make sure we were okay, which was friggin' awesome, man. Appreciate you, guy. But the scenery might look a little familiar to you. It's the first 80-degree day, so we're going somewhere for seafood. And I was gonna go to the Keyport Fishery, but the place we went to last year has been open like a week or two, and here you can sit outside and watch the boats and just appreciate the bay and Sandy Hook for what it is. That's right, we're going back to Moby, son. I'll put the name and address on the screen here. What if I don't want to scan you? This view is gonna Wang Chung. I gotta get around this van. This is killing me. It's killing me. Man, oh man. 2 days in the 80s and the 90s next week. It feels like summer's finally friggin' here. We earned this one, boy. Last winter, that winter was angry like a stepmother that doesn't want their kids from the partner's other marriage in the house, so she acts like a witch and chases them out. If you like my videos, if you could give the thumbs up or leave a comment, I appreciate it. I'm guessing Ray's deaf right about now. Wow, that friggin' exhaust is loud. It is such a nice bike, man. Congratulations, Yanni. You're coming down the parkway, man, and then you just hit that one spot and you smell it. You smell the friggin' salt water. Your whole mood changes. Maybe you come get yourself some Crown Fried Chicken, stay at the Holy Hill Motel. Yeah, so I was looking online and I saw Big Sheila found a new home. I miss you, girl. I hope your next owner treats you right like I did. Love you. But now we're out on the midlife crisis mobile. Living the dream, baby. And the weather is beautiful. I am in no friggin' rush. Neither is that guy up front. Leonardo Motel. That means we're down by the Quick Stop. For all you people who've seen all the Clerks movies. And if you haven't, make sure you go buy or rent Clerks. Mallrats, Dogma, Clerks 2. I think there was a Clerks 3. Jay and Silent Bob Strike Back. All good movies. Forget which street it's up. It's not this one, right? Yep, that's the street. We're 6 minutes out. Can you contain your excitement for 6 more minutes? I bet you can't, so I'm not gonna make you wait that long. 3 minutes out, baby. 3 minutes to seafood. This place is fantastic. I think it's like, what was it, like 35 or 37 miles from me. About an hour. We hit some random pocket of traffic for no other reason than people wanted traffic, I guess. It was like the dumbest shit ever. 1 mile, 1 mile. Yeah, we're about a minute away. I'm friggin' psyched. This place was the bomb last year. It's gonna be the double bomb this year. I wonder if the police officer is gonna be sitting in the middle of the street in his car. Yeah, look at that, baby. Sandy Hook across the bridge. Nice clear day.
Turn right onto
Hopefully we'll see some boats
then
out.
Turn left onto Highland Avenue. Turn left onto Highland Avenue. Then at the next stop sign, you'll turn left.
Man, look at that bay. Smell it. It smells like awesomeness.
At the stop sign, turn left onto South Bay Avenue. Then your destination will be on the right. Your destination is on the right.
You got it right with the 5th weaker.
This for a view for an outro, huh? So, thoughts on Moby's. I don't know if I said it in the beginning of the video, but they closed for like 6 months. And we go back there, and the food is just as good. Nothing's changed, which is perfect. If you're having a libation, I highly recommend the Moby's IPA. Staff is always cool as hell, friendly. You get to sit outside. You can sit, you know, you're sitting on the bay and staring out here at Sandy Hook. What a view. You can sit in the shade, or if you want to sit in the sun, you can sit in the sun. It really is a cool place, and it's worth the trip. If you're looking for a place to go and you want some seafood and you don't want to break the bank, it's a great place. It really truly is. If you're in the area, Highlands or Sandy Hook, and you're looking for a place to eat, I'm telling you, Moby's is where it's at. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Drop my videos 3 p.m. Wednesday and Friday. Hope you come back next week and check out another one or two.